Limo Texas Home Tours continues in Fort Worth. Today we're looking at this 4-bedroom home. We're in Fort Worth. You can look at the neighborhood. Across the street. Alright, I love the brick of the house. Two-car garage. And this is the entrance right here. Nice grand entrance. Okay. Immediately you walk in. Gonna find a formal dining room here. Or some people can use it for an office. Then you have an access here towards a nice spot there for a nice picture, family picture. Bathroom here. Get access to the kitchen there. You can go straight to the living area. Alright, so this is the living area right here, fireplace. Alright, you get a view of the kitchen. So let's look at the kitchen. Nice countertops. Right there. Get your full double sink. Fridge. Pantry right there. Alright, this will be access to your garage. Alright, come back this way. Get an extra closet here, storage. Alright. Find your laundry area here. And then your master bedroom. Good size. The van. Two windows here. Alright. So you do have your double sink. Right there. Get your shower. Get your tub. Alright, so double sink. Walk in here, you got your closet, walk-in closet, big size. Really very well divided. Alright. Then the rest of the bedrooms are upstairs. Got a nice staircase here. Alright, so you got another living area here. It's got your game room. Get your second bedroom here. Closet, walk-in closet. The bedroom here. Another walk-in closet. So very generous closet sizes. Your shared bathroom here with double sink. Get your shower there. An extra linen closet there. Okay. Then you get another bedroom here. Another walk-in closet. Alright, so you can see the upstairs. You basically have one room there, second room, your game room right there. Get your bathroom there, then you get another bedroom right there. So check out the backyard. So it's full brick. Nice yard. Alright, let me know your thoughts. Thank you. This is Sam Limo, your Texas Realtor, and Limo Texas Homes Tours continues. Catch me in the next video. Thank you.